You're all welcome to this class. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how and what application that you need to download for us to be able to set up our Amazon account without issues. So I will just go straight to my Play Store and then show you what applications you need. And you need to have them downloaded first before we can start the process. So just locate your Play Store or whatever store is available for you to be able to download application. So for me, it's Play Store, so I'm going to do that right away. And like I mentioned before, you need these two applications for this process. We need the Amazon Shopping app as well as your Google Authenticator. So once you are here on your Play Store, you just click and type in Amazon Shopping app. Amazon Shopping app. So I have it there. So you can look at, we have two of them here. We're going to pick the second one here. So just click on install and then we'll allow it some time to download so we can install it and continue with the process. All right, so now that we have finished downloading the app, what we're going to do next is to allow it some time to install. All right, so the next application we're going to download is the Google Authenticator app. So you just go there to the search bar and just type in Google Authenticator and download it just as we did the last time. So, and we may have other variations or options there, but go with this ones that has something like a star. Just click on install and have that downloaded to be installed for us to use to continue with the sign up process. All right, so you can see that we have now fully downloaded two applications, one of which is the Amazon Shopping app, and then the second one is the Google Authenticator. So we are going to begin to use these applications for the process of signing up for an Amazon account.